Hello everyone, this is our 50th video tutorial under the GCSE topic revision guide called Compound Measure. Under this topic, we are going to be studying three different compound measure: speed, density and pressure. Let's look at the theory and the exam style question straight away. Hello everyone, this is the tutorial we are going to discuss in our video session. You can download this tutorial from our website at www.smart-tutors.co.uk/worksheet.php. Under the year 11 section, you can download this tutorial. The annual membership, £24, allows you to download all the tutorials in PDF format. Not only that, you can download all the predicted papers and the past papers from our site. Let's look at the first question. Mia drove a distance of 343 kilometers. She took 3 hours 30 minutes. Work out her average speed. Give your answer in kilometer per hour. So average speed. So average speed. So total distance traveled. So total distance travel over time taken. So we need to careful and familiar with the equation if you use this triangular method. So always remember this: speed equal distance divided by time. So speed equal distance divided by time. Distance equal speed times time, and the time equal distance divided by speed. Right, so average speed equal total distance is 343 kilometer divided by 3.5 hours. So 3 hours and 30 minutes mean 3.5 hours. So let's take my calculator. So 343 divided by 3.5. So the answer is 98 kilometer per hour. So 98 kilometer per hour. So that is the answer for the question number 1. Question number 2. The distance from London to New York is that much of miles. A plane take 8 hours to fly, and the average speed same thing. So average speed, you write the equation. Distance travels 3, 4, 5, 6 miles divided by 8 hours. So the answer is going to be that much of miles per hour. So let's look at the calculator, and I got AC 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 8. So 432. So 432 miles per hour. So question number 3. Daniel leaves his house at 7 o'clock. He drives 87 miles to work. He drives at an average speed of 36 miles per hour. At what time does Daniel arrive at work? So distance is given 87 miles and the speed is given 36 miles per hour. So the time, so in a triangle you need to think this is the speed, distance over time. So the time equal distance divided by speed. Distance is 87 divided by 36. So that much of the unit is going to be hours. So we need to be careful of this calculator. So 87 divided by 36. So that is going to be 29 over 12. So as recurring. So I'm going to do 29 upon 12. So 29 upon 12 hours. So 29 upon 12 hours mean 29 times 60. So if I convert that into minutes, so 12 goes into 5. 5 times 9, 45. 5 times 2, 10, 145. So 145 minutes mean you can easily say it's going to be 2 hours, which is 120, 25 minutes. So 120, 145, 2 hours and 25 minutes. So 7 o'clock it's going to be starting, and this is going to be 0925. So that is the time he reached at work. A silver chain has a volume is given 5 centimeter cube. The density of the silver density is given 10.5 grams per centimeter cube. The mass is the question. So density is equal mass over volume. So mass equal density times volume. So if you put the triangle law, so density equal mass over volume. So mass is the question, density times volume. So density is 10.5 times 5. That is the answer, 52.5 grams. That is the answer for the question number 4. Question number 5. The volume of the gold bar is 100. So V equal 100 centimeter cube. The density of the gold bar is 19.3 grams per centimeter cube. Work out the mass. So the mass is equal density times volume. So 19.3 times 100, which is going to be 1930 grams. Question number 6. A force F is given is 185.6 Newton, is being applied to a square of side length 3 meter. So a square is here, 3 meter is the side length. Work out the pressure to the 3 SF. So pressure equal F over A. So 185.6 over 9. So the answer is 185.6 divided by 9 equal. So the answer they are asking for 3 SF. So 1, 2, 3, fourth one, 20.6 is the answer. So pressure equal 20.6, and the unit is Newton per meter squared. So the pressure Newton per meter squared, or Newton meter minus 2. So that is the answer for the question number 6. Question number 7. A man is standing on one foot, and this foot is applying force is 740 Newton. As a result, this foot exerting a pressure is 2312.5 Newton per meter squared. What is the surface area of the bottom of his foot? So pressure equal force over area. So if you use the triangular rule, so pressure equal force over area. So area equal force divided by pressure. So force is 740 divided by 2312.5. This much of meter squared is the area. So let's take the calculator. So AC 740 divided by 2312.5. That is the answer, 0.32. So 0.32 meter squared. This is the answer in meter squared. In case if they ask you to convert that into centimeter squared, so centimeter squared means you need to times by 100 and another 100, because centimeter squared is 1 meter squared is 10,000 centimeter squared. So this is going to be 32 with another 3200 centimeters squared, or you can leave it 0.32 meters squared. A woman is applying pressure is 300 Newton per meter squared onto a door with her hand. Her hand has an area of, so area is given 0.02 meter squared, and work out the force. So force is going to be pressure times area. So pressure is 300 times 0.02, so it's going to be 6 Newton. So that is the answer for the question number 8. So question number 9. Joe traveled 60 miles in 1.5 hours. Work out Joe's average speed. So average speed equal distance over time. So distance is 60 miles over 1.5. So this is going to be 600 over 15. This is going to be 40 miles per hour. So that is the answer for question number 9. So question number 10. 600 Newton is the force, and the 50 times 50, calculate the pressure for the following situation. So force is given 600 Newton. Careful with the area. Area equal 50 centimeter times 50 centimeter. So I'm going to divide by 100. So this is going to be what? 0.5 times 0.5. So this will come as 0.25 meter squared. So pressure equal force over 0.25, and that pressure, the unit is going to be Newton per meter squared. So take the calculator. 600 divided by 0.25, which is going to be a big number. 0.25, 2400 something. Yes, correct. So 2400 Newton meter squared, Newton per meter squared, that is the pressure. Question number where is the question number 10 goes? So question number 10 is that. Question number 11. Jim weighs 200 Newton, the bottom of his trainers, as an area 80 centimeters squared. Find the pressure on the bottom of his trainers in Newton per meter squared. So A part, they're asking the pressure is the force over area. Force is 200 and the area is 80 centimeter squared. So 80 centimeter squared, we need to convert it to, so 80 centimeter squared divide by 100 and divide by another 100 to convert it to meter squared. So it's going to be 80 divided by 100 is going to be 0.8, and then divide by another 100, which is 0.008. So 1 2, so 0.008 meter squared. So that is the area. So you need to convert that 200 divide by 0.008. So that is the pressure of the on the bottom of the trainers. So let's use the calculator. So 200 divide by 0.008, that is going to be 25,000 Newton per meter squared. So B part, if the area of the trainers has an area 120, so pressure equal force over area, same 200 over 120 now. So 120 means 200 now divide by, so 0.012. So why is that? So 1 2 3, 4. So that is the answer for the conversion. And now divide 200 divide by 0.012. That answer is 16,666 Newton per meter squared. So what is the scientific conclusion you can arrive using your answer part A and B? So when the area increases, the pressure decreases. So what happened? The area from 80 to 120, the area increases. So the pressure 25,000 to 16,666, it reduces. So that is the answer for the question number 11C. That is the end of the tutorial, but we have 2 more tutorial questions. I'm just quickly run through the last section. So question number 12 and 13. If you are familiar with that one, you can do it quickly. So while traveling on vacation, you measure the times and the distance you travel. You travel 35 kilometers in 0.4 hours. So 35 kilometers in 0.4 hours, and followed by 53 kilometers and in 0.6 hours. So if they ask for average speed, so all what we want to do is total distance. So total distance divide by total time taken. So time, I'm just going to put time here. So total distance 53 plus 35, 88 I think, divide by 0.6 with 0.4 is 1.0, so 1. So the answer is 88 kilometer per hour. So that easy is that. So because of the 1 and in 1 hour. So next one, Lucy took 3 hours to cover 2/3 of journey. So this is the journey. Lucy took 3 hours, right? So this is the 3 hours to cover the 2/3 of her journey. She covered the remaining is the 60 miles is the remaining in the 2 hours. So remaining means is 1/3. So 1/3 is 60 means 2/3 is 120. So total distance D equal 180. In total time taken is 5 hours. So 36 miles in an hour. So that is the speed of the Lucy's motion. So first 2/3 of the journey is, we don't know the distance, but that took 3 hours. So that remaining mean 1/3 is 60. So 2/3 is 120. Total is 180. Divide by total time is 5 hours. So if we divide by 180 by 30, so 36 miles per hour. So that is the answer, 36 miles per hour. So that is the end of our tutorial. You can download this tutorial from our website at www.smart-tutors.co.uk/worksheet.co.uk. And if you liked our video session, the explanation, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch all the upcoming videos. All the best. Thank you for watching. Cheers.